Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you jog operation with parameter setting. Going to parameter, jog operation, N38 terminal S4. I want to switching for jog operation in S4. This is S4. Three. Here need to set 10 for jog selection. 10 to save this value. Now I'll check jog running. Jog frequency is 5, but motor is not running because first need to run the motor. Now jog operation is working. Jog frequency is 5. Now motor running. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.